Hey, welcome to Universe Education. Today, we're looking at fraction exponents. So, let's go. All right, 5 to the 2/3 power. All right, I said that we're working with fraction exponents, but still just seeing them, they're just weird. Okay, what is a fraction exponent anyways? Well, we've actually worked with the numerator portion before, and we've kind of worked with the denominator, but we haven't seen it as a denominator before. All right, this numerator is just the normal exponent that we think of. So that 5 to the second power, or 5 squared, is 5 squared. But then what about that divided by 3, or that 3 denominator? Because remember, division and fractions are the same thing. All right, anyways, divided by 3 becomes the cubed root of 3. It's a root. The numerator is the normal exponent, the normal power. The denominator is the root. And that's it. All right, let's look at one more example here. This is going to be a pretty quick video. 8 to the 7/4. Well, again, that's 7 is our numerator. That 4 is our denominator. So that 7 becomes our normal exponent, or normal power, with 8 to the 7th power. And then that divided by 4 becomes the 4th root. And by the way, once you've done these parts with the fraction exponents, then you're just working with exponents or roots, or maybe you're just done on here already, depending on what you're being asked to do. Okay? So if you want to see more examples like this, or see what we're doing at Universe Education, then visit us at universeed.com. Thanks for watching, and hope you have a great day. Adios.